Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of pteridophytes, and today's practical is study of transverse section of leaflet of the genus Marsilea. Marsilea, it is a pteridophytic plant. Let us see what we have to do in the practical. Next, what is the requirement? We need classwork material of Marsilea leaflet. We need watch glass, slide, cover sleeve, blade, safranine brush, blotting paper, needle and the microscope. These are the requirements for the practical purpose. In procedure, what we have to do, how to start the practical, that we have to take the transverse section of the given material of Marsilea leaf, and that we have to stain and select. First of all, you have to select a thin section and stain it. Remove this section from drop of safranine and mount, and then observe the prepared temporary slide under the microscope and note all the details of distribution of various types of tissue which is observed in the slide. Let us see what we can see that the transverse section of leaflet shows distinct upper and lower epidermis. The epidermal cells are barrel shaped. They are very compactly arranged. There are no intercellular spaces. The stomata are restricted. Stomata, these are the natural openings. The stomata are restricted to the upper epidermis in the floating form of Marsilea. The plants grow on muddy places and may have stomata in both upper and lower epidermis. Okay. The mesophyll, it is placed below the upper epidermis. The mesophyll is differentiated into two distinct regions, that is palisade layer and the spongy parenchyma. Next, the palisade layer that consists of large side cells, and these palisade cells, they are full of chloroplast, and this is placed below the upper epidermis. The spongy parenchyma consists of epidermal cells with loose arrangement. Okay. The endodermis, endo means inner, dermis means skin. The endodermis is single layered, which is internally protected by a thin layer of pericycle. Pericycle, again, it is a parenchymatous in nature, which consists of thin walled cells. And pericycle layer is always placed below the endodermis, and it is very closely associated with the endodermis, that gives the mechanical support to the endodermis. This is the function of pericycle. Okay. The vascular bundle is of concentric type, in which xylem is surrounded by phloem elements. This type of vascular bundle is present at the center of the leaf. This is all about the observation of transverse section of leaflet of Marsilea. Next, this is the photograph. This is the figure of transverse section of leaflet of Marsilea. See the upper epidermis that consists of barrel shaped cells, and lower epidermis is also there, and the palisade layer is shown, which consists of large cells, and phloem, xylem is present at the center, endodermis and pericycle. Parenchyma is also there. Parenchyma is the characteristic feature of Marsilea leaflet. Okay. This is all about practical of transverse section of leaflet of Marsilea.